Hello guys, I'm making a cardboard boat using cardboard, and I searched up in Google what paint can be used to waterproof cardboard, and it said acrylic paint. So I put it on the other side of the boat, and then my plan is I get popsicle sticks because last time that I tried using acrylic paint on one of these small parts, it got wet. So this is a new acrylic paint. This is also new, so I'm gonna try it now. So I plan on putting popsicle sticks under the boat. I'm just gonna glue it there, and then the popsicle sticks should absorb some of the water before it reaches the boat, which I waterproof the underside with acrylic paint. So yeah, see you in the next video.